Hi children, welcome back to part 2. So in the part 1 we have seen that Payal's mother tried to feed Owly with meat, isn't it? Yes. So when she was trying to feed her, what happened? So suddenly Owly laid on her back and on the floor of the cage with her feet up in the air. Okay. So when she was trying to feed her, நம்மளே பார்த்தோம் அவுளி தலைகீழ விழுந்துடுச்சு காலைல மேலே தூக்கிட்டு தலைகீழ விழுந்துடுச்சு அப்படின்னு நம்ம பார்த்தோம் isn't it? Yes, okay. So let's see what happened next in this video. Okay, children? So I'm going to read out the lines, so listen to me carefully, children. Mom, Payal cried. You have killed her. Payal's mother was equally aghast. Oh, she said. Oh, what have I done? The poor little bird. After Payal and her mother had finished crying and hugging each other, they started talking bravely about where to bury Owly. Just then, Owly opened one eye and then the other. She got onto her feet and quietly climbed the perch. Okay, so Payal, she got frightened. She was frightened. Okay, she started yelling at his mother. She cried. She cried at his mother. Mother, you have killed her. You have killed Owly. Okay, so she started scolding his mother. Okay, but mother said, "Whoa, what I have done? நான் எதுவுமே பண்ணல. Okay, I have done nothing." The poor little bird, after the Payal and her mother had finished crying and hugging each other, they started talking bravely about where to bury Owly. Okay. After that, Payal started scolding his mother because Payal thought that Owly was dead, and she thought her mother killed Owly. Okay. So after scolding each other, Poyle and her mother had finished crying. After that, they finished crying and then they started hugging each other. Okay. And then they started talking bravely about where to bury Owly. So, நம்ம எங்க அவுலியை புதைக்கலாம் அப்படி சொல்லிட்டு they have decided. Okay. Just then, Owly opened one eye and the other. She got onto her feet and quietly climbed the perch. Okay. So, when they are discussing about where to bury Owly, suddenly Owly opened one eye and then the other. Okay, so திடீர்னு ஒரு கண்ணை திறக்குது அதுக்கப்புறமா இன்னொரு கண்ணை திறந்து so she stood up. So finally she woke up and then Owly went back into his cage and started climbing on the perch. Okay, but Payal and Payal's mother thought that Owly was dead. But finally what happened? Owly stood up and went back to his cage again. Poyle learned later that falling on her back and pretending to be dead was Owly's way of protecting herself against danger. Okay, so after this incident, Payal started reading more about Owly. Okay, and also she referred a lot of books and a lot of articles to know more about Owly. Okay, so finally she came to know that why she is doing like this means to protect himself from danger. Okay, so if there is any danger comes to owl, what will happen? It will pretend, it will act like it is dead. அப்படியே செத்துட்ட மாதிரி நடிக்கும். எதனா ஒரு ஆபத்து வருதுன்னா அவுள் என்ன பண்ணுனா அப்படியே செத்துட்ட மாதிரி நடிக்கும். ஓகே, ஸோ தட் ஷீ கேம் டு நோ ஃப்ரம் ரீடிங் த புக்ஸ். Not that Paul's mother was a danger to Owly, but the boy owl did not know that then. So that was Owly's first day at home. Okay, so why she tried to act like it was dead means because it was the first day for Payal to be at Paul's house, isn't it? So this is the first day for Owly to be in Payal's house, so that she does not know anything about Payal's mother and Payal, so that she thought that they are danger, so that she acted like it was dead. Okay. In the beginning, Owly had to be forced to eat. That was mom's job. But Owly soon realized that if your hand came towards her, it meant food. Her mouth would open automatically and her beak would snap around what was offered. Only Owly found it difficult to know when she was being offered food and would try to take a bite out of any hand that came her way. This meant lots of biting fingers for Payal and her mother. Okay, so in the beginning, Owly was forced to eat. Okay, ஆரம்பத்தில் என்ன பண்ணாங்கன்னா பாயலும் பாயல்ஸ் மதரும் they forced Auli to eat the meat, isn't it? But after a while, after some days, Payal, it was whose job it was? It was mom's job. So after a while, after some days, Auli soon realized that if a hand came towards her, it meant food. Okay, so whatever hands goes to her, she thinks it is a food. Okay, எதனா ஒரு கை அதுக்கிட்ட போச்சுன்னா she thinks it is a food. Her mouth would open automatically and her beak would snap around what was offered. Okay, what if you take your hand closer to Auli, what she will think? It is food. Okay, the people are bringing her food. So that she started, uh, you know, she started snap. அப்படியே கொத்தி கொத்தி பார்க்குறதா கை எல்லாமே கொத்தி கொத்தி பார்த்துட்டு ஏன்னா சாப்பாடு இருக்குதா அப்படி சொல்லிட்டு யார் பார்க்குறதுனா Auli. ஓகே, சும்மா கையை கீழே கிட்ட இட்டுட்டு போனால் கூட Auli thinks that it is a food. Okay. Only Auli found it difficult to know when she was being offered food and would try to take a bite of any hand that came her way. She meant lots of lots of bitten fingers for Payal and her mother. Okay, so because of this incident, there are a lot of bitten fingers for Payal and Payal's mother. Okay, when they try to take her in their hand, she thinks that there is a food in their hand, so that she started snapping their hand. Because of that thing, Payal and Payal's mother got bitten fingers in their both hands. Okay. Reading up more about owls and their habitats, Payal discovered that Auli was a spotted owlet. She had the typical grey-brown coat, heavily spotted with white, the pale face, yellow eyes, and the white neck band, which looked like a ribbon. Soon Payal took over the job of looking after Auli. She saw that the cage was cleaned every day. She filled the water bowl once Auli began to eat by herself. Payal too could feed her. Okay. Reading up more about owls and their habitats, Payal discovered that Auli was a spotted owlet. Okay. So after reading more about Auli, Payal came to know more about Auli. Okay. So, there are different species of owlet in the world. Okay, so this is one of them. Owl is one of the owlets. So how does it look like means she had the typical grey brown coat. Okay, grey brown coat. அது உடம்பு ஃபுல்லாக கிரே கலர்லையும் ப்ரௌன் கலர்லையும் கோட்டு மாதிரி அதோடைய இறகுகள் எல்லாமே இருக்கும். ஹெவிலி ஸ்பாட்டட் வித் ஒயிட். அது உடம்பு ஃபுல்லாக அப்படியே ஒயிட்டாக இருக்குது. நம்ம அந்த பிக்சரில் பார்த்தோன்னா தெரியும். அது உடம்பு ஃபுல்லாக அப்படியே கிரே கலர்லையும் இருக்குது, ப்ரௌன் கலர்லையும் ப்ளஸ் ஒயிட் கலரில் அதனுடைய இறகுகள் எல்லாமே இருக்குது. ஸோ தட் திஸ் இஸ் ஹவ் இட் லுக்ஸ் லைக். ஓகே, அண்ட் பேல் ஃபேஸ், எல்லோ ஐஸ் அண்ட் த ஒயிட் நெக் பேண்ட். அதோடைய கண்கள் எப்படி இருக்குது? இட்ஸ் ஐஸ் லுக்ஸ் எல்லோ. ஓகே, அண்ட் தென் ஒயிட் நெக் பேண்ட், கழுத்து ஃபுல்லாக அப்படி ஒயிட் நெக் பேண்ட் மாதிரி இருக்கும். விச் லுக்டு லைக் எ ரிப்பன். It looks like a ribbon. Okay, its neck looks like a ribbon. Payal decided soon Payal took over the job of looking after Auli. She saw that the cage was cleaned every day. So after that, Payal started taking care of Auli. Okay, and also she's the only girl who cleaned up the cage every day, and also she's the only girl who filled the water in the bowl. Okay, so after her mother, Payal decided to take care of the Auli. Once Auli began to eat herself, Payal too could feed her. Okay, after that, after a while, after some days, after her mother, Payal started taking care of Auli, and also she started feeding her. Okay, instead of her mother. She loved the way Auli took a piece of raw meat from her hand. During the day, Payal kept the cage covered. Owls are night birds, so they slept during the day. At night, when owls are active, Payal took off the cover. They had decided that they would let Auli fly away once she had grown bigger, but that meant that she had to learn to fly. To do that, Auli had to be in a closed room. So she loved the way Auli took a piece of raw meat from her hand. Okay, so I told you already, after her mother, Payal started feeding Auli, isn't it? So Payal loves the way Auli takes a piece of the raw meat from her hand. அப்படியே அந்த கையிலேருந்து எடுக்கிறது யாருக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிக்குதுன்னா பாயலுக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிக்குது. ஓகே, During the day, Payal kept the cage covered. Owls are night birds, so they slept during the day. At night, they when owls are active, Payal took off the cover. Okay, so owls are hunters. They are hunters. அவங்க எல்லாமே வேட்டையாடி தான் சாப்பிடும். Owl எல்லாமே வேட்டையாடி தான் சாப்பிடும். So that owls sleep at daytime. Owls sleep in daytime and they awake at night time. So why they are awake at night time means to hunt. Okay, to catch his prey like a frog, a snake, and also even a rat. So they are hunting these kind of small animals in the night time. But in the daytime, what happens? It takes in the daytime it sleeps the whole day. Okay, but night time it goes for hunt. So that Payal covered the cage in the daytime and she opened the cover in the night time. Okay, so who is covering the cage in daytime? Yes, Payal. Okay, Payal is covering the cage in daytime and she cleared the cover in night time. Why? Because Owlie will be awake the whole night at night. Okay, they had decided that they would let Owlie fly away once she had grown bigger. Okay, so after that they have decided to set it free when it has grown up. Payal and Payal's mother have decided to set it free. So set Owlie free when it has grown up. இது வளர்ந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் பறக்க விட்டுறலாம் அப்படி சொல்லிட்டு பாயலும் பாயல்ஸ் மதர் டிசைட் பண்ணுறாங்க. But that means that she had to learn to fly. So if they want to set it free, what they have to do? The owlie has to know how to fly. Owlie has to know how to fly. So to train her to fly, what they have to do? They have to train it to fly. So Payal and Payal mother decided to train her to fly. To do that, Owlie had to be in a closed room. So to train Owlie, what they have to do? They have a closed room. அப்படியே ஒரு ரூம் தேவை எதுக்கு அந்த அவுலியை பறக்க கற்று தரதுக்கு. they have a room. So that they have decided to arrange a room for Owlie. After much decision, Owlie's cage was shifted to the library. It was a lovely room with 2 doors, one which led to the rest of the house and the other that opened into the garden. It was also Payal's favorite room. It had tall bookshelves and she spent hours there reading all kinds of books. The house shelves also had lots of little knickknacks. So after some decisions, Owlie's cage was shifted to library. So they have decided to shift the cage to the library. Okay, it was a lovely room with 2 doors. The library has 2 doors. One is leading to the rest of the rooms and one is leading to the garden. Okay, ஒன்று வந்து வீட்டுக்குள்ளே போகிற மாதிரி ஒரு வழி இருக்குது, இன்னொரு வழி கார்டனுக்கு போகிற மாதிரி இன்னொரு வழி இருக்குது. Okay, it was also Payal's favorite room. Whose favorite room it was? It was Payal's favorite room. So the library was Payal's favorite room. It had tall bookshelves and she spent hours there reading all kinds of books. So this is where she used to read lot of books in the library. So library is the only place for a Payal to read lot of books, and also it has lot of bookshelves. She spent most of her time in reading books in the library, and also she reads many kinds of books in the library. The bookshelves also had lots of little knickknacks. Knickknacks means a small dolls. சின்ன சின்ன பொருட்கள், அழகழகான பொருட்கள்லாம் இருக்குல்ல, உடலில் செய்யப்பட்டது ப்ளஸ் சின்ன சின்ன பொம்மைகள். இந்த டால்ஸ் எல்லாமே நிக்நாக்ஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம், க்யூரியோன்னு சொல்லுவோம். ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி சின்ன சின்ன பொருட்களும் எங்கே இருக்குது? லைப்ரரியில் இருக்குது. அண்ட் ஆல்சோ புக்ஸ் ஆல்சோ இன் த லைப்ரரி. ஸோ புக்ஸ் இஸ் தேர் அண்ட் ஆல்சோ நிக்நாக்ஸ் ஆல்சோ தேர். அப்படி சின்ன சின்ன பொருட்களும் இருக்குது, புக்கும் இருக்குது எங்கே? லைப்ரரியில். ஓகே. Her mother loved pretty things and displayed them her along with the books. So there were beautiful pieces of pottery, dolls from wherever they had traveled, and of course wooden and clay animals and birds from all around the world. Okay, I already told you her mother loved pretty things. Payal's mother loved gathering things like this. Okay, she displayed them here along with the books. On the library, she displayed all the things, even the dolls and animals, and she displayed everything with the books in the library. So there were beautiful pieces of pottery. அப்படியே பானை மாதிரிலாம் சின்ன சின்ன பொருட்கள்லாம் இருக்குது. Dolls, பொம்மைகள்லாம் இருக்குது. From wherever they had traveled, and of course wooden and clay animals and birds from all around the world. So wherever they are traveling, Payal's mother used to collect a lot of dolls, pottery things, and also animals and birds. Why she is gathering all these kind of dolls is to display them in the library. Okay, so she has gathered many species of dolls just to display them in the library. So what are the things in the library? Books also there, and also dolls also there, pottery also there, animals and birds, everything. All kind of dolls are there in the library. So they both of them displayed in the library. Okay children, let's talk about the next thing in the next video.